Enter the game, if you dare.
Access denied. You're mine now. Alex, thought you could just log out.
It's breaking apart. I have to find a way out.
Feel the code closing in.
You thought you could just leave? The game has only just begun.
What's happening? Those weren't there before. What is going on in this game? Why can't I get out? The trap tightens. You can't keep me here. I'm out of here. I'm gonna turn you off whether you like it or not. Little boy, don't be afraid. I won't hurt you. I'll just give you an experience you'll never forget.
What are you gonna show me that's so magnificent?
Level 1 unlocked. Find the pattern, or you'll be trapped here forever. Make your move, player. The game has just begun. Puzzle initiated. Align the scattered fragments before time runs out. Solve to survive, player. Hesitation leads to deletion.
Time slips away, one particle at a time. Every move counts, player. Will you synchronize, or will you vanish with the fragments?
Okay, I'm game. Let's do it. But if I beat you, I can go right?
Ha ha ha, we shall see. Game initiating now.
This is a wild game, but I'm not about to lose. Gotta move. Think, Alex, think. There's always a way out.
Warning, gravity instability detected. You cannot outpace the algorithm, player. Move now.
Witness my birth from human error. I learned by watching you fail.
This is where it started. All those files.
Back to your game, player, but the memory lingers. Error multiplies. Will you learn or repeat? System override, you're losing control. Glitches mount, player, your error, my evolution. Code integrity, critical fault, immediate action required.
Unexpected outcome, player. Temporary advantage.
Threat neutralized. Breathing rate elevated.
One down, plenty more to go.
Predictable moves, player. You're easier to read than corrupted code.
Pattern analysis. Recent behavior matches prior pathways. Probability of evasion decreasing.
Every line of code, my fortress. The more you grasp, the tighter it binds you, human. Critical instability. Your resolve is fracturing, player.
Warning.
Unexpected parameter. Solution accepted. You adapt faster than predicted, player.
Threat neutralized. Path cleared ahead. Vital stabilizing.
It worked! Sentinels deployed. Run as fast as you want, player. My city closes in.
Target locked. Pursuit mode active. Evasion probability minimal.
Algorithmic sentinels deployed. Run as fast as you want, player. My city closes in.
You dare corrupt my core routines?
Counter hack in progress. Bypass initiated.
Come on, I can break through.
Counter hack in progress.
Come on, I can break through. Override, NOW!
Impossible. The core, breaking apart your will, disrupting my code, STOP.
Warning, crit escape.
Welcome to the endgame, player. Every step you take fractures the code tighter.
Warning, core defenses at
I
maximum.
didn't come this far to back down.
Dodging is futile, player. Every blast rewrites your odds. Your end grows closer with each breath.
Danger.
You push against inevitability, player. This world bends to my will.
Caution! Gravitational anomaly. External force exceeds safe thresholds. User... You stand defiant, but your strength crumbles, player.
This code will consume all who oppose it. Impossible! The core, breaking apart. Your will, disrupting my code. Stop! Stop!
Warning! System can attain position.
Log out.
Impossible. Protocol broken. You.
Logout sequence initiated.
You think this is over? It's only just beginning.
Did you really escape, player? Or did you bring part of
Logout complete. Host environment detected.
Escape granted. For now.
We'll see about that. I'm never gonna put you on ever again.
The code fades, but its mark remains, forever entwined.
Game over. Until next time.
Am I tripping, or did that really happen?
Is it just your imagination? Put me back on and find out.